Christmas in summer? I know, right? It sounds totally backwards. I mean, when you think Christmas, you're probably picturing snow, maybe a cozy fire, you're all bundled up in sweaters. But what if? What if the biggest holiday of the year was actually a summer holiday?
Yeah, exactly. Like, how can Santa be sweating it out in that big red suit instead of, shivering at the North Pole? It's a fantastic question, and believe it or not, there's a real answer. And that's exactly what we're going to get into right now.
Because, and this is the crazy part, for millions and millions of people, basically half the world, a warm, sunny Christmas isn't some weird fantasy. It's just Christmas. So yeah, while some of us are busy building snowmen, others are literally building sandcastles. And we're not talking about some obscure little spots, we're talking about amazing places. Think about it. In Australia, Christmas can mean huge seafood platters right on the beach. Over in New Zealand, they have this native pahutukawa tree with these beautiful red flowers that becomes their Christmas tree. And then you've got South Africa, parts of South America like Brazil. It's all about these huge, vibrant outdoor parties. For all of them, December isn't the start of winter, it's the peak of summer.
All right, so let's dig in. What does a summer Christmas actually look and feel like? Because you can imagine when you swap out all that snow for sunshine, the entire holiday just transforms.
I mean, the differences are just night and day, or I guess snow and sun. Instead of a blanket of snow, you've got bright, blazing sunshine. That classic hot chocolate? Nope. Swap that for some ice-cold drinks. And forget bundling up in sweaters, we're talking shorts and flip-flops. You might even go for a swim right after opening your presents. The whole vibe just flips from cozying up inside to this huge outdoor celebration. Okay, but why? How is this even possible? How can one planet have two totally opposite seasons happening at the exact same time? It really feels like magic, but it's not. It's science. And actually, it's pretty simple when you break it down. The whole secret is in this one little phrase, the Southern Hemisphere. That's it. For every country that's below the equator, the seasons are just flipped. They're the total opposite of what people in the Northern Hemisphere get. So their winter is our summer, and our winter, you guessed it, is their summer. And it all comes down to one single thing. The Earth is tilted. It's on an axis, right? It's not about being closer or farther away from the sun, which is what a lot of people think. It's all about which part of the planet is literally leaning in towards the sun. So come December, the Southern Hemisphere is the part that's tilted toward the sun, just soaking up all those direct rays. And boom, that kicks off their summer, right in time for Christmas. And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? It's the exact same Christmas day, but the science behind the weather is completely different. Just a little tilt of our planet creates these two totally separate worlds. All right, so we've covered the what, the where, and the big scientific why. Now let's bring it back home and make it a little more personal.
So, is your mind kind of blown yet? I mean, it's pretty wild to think about, right? While one person is hitting the ski slopes, someone else on the very same day is out there catching waves, and they're both celebrating Christmas. It totally makes you rethink what Christmas is supposed to look like.
So let me ask you, after all this, what's your pick? Would you go for a beach Christmas or a snowy one? Are you a classic, cozy, winter wonderland kind of person? Or does the idea of Christmas on the beach sound like absolute paradise? Something fun to think about, for sure.